Welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. This is a really simple and fast DIY. All you're going to need is a pie pan and one of these disposable chopping boards. Make sure you use the shiny side up on the cutting board and trace out half a circle or the size of half of this pie pan onto the cutting board. And with some good scissors, just go ahead and cut out the half a circle that you traced out. Once you cut it out, go ahead and get E6000 or Fix-All glue and your hot glue gun. And go ahead and all you're going to do is glue on this half a moon or the sheet onto your pie pan. Make sure you put the shiny side up, like so. You can even spray paint this pan if you want it white, or any other color that will fit your decor. Once you've added the glue, Fix-All or E6000 and the hot glue, go ahead and place the half a circle that you cut out onto the pan. Let it dry for a few minutes before you do anything else, or if you can, for a few hours. What I'm adding is some of these black rocks and some of the white ones. Those black ones, I don't want to say it's sand. I guess it's like just a black filler. But you can purchase all different colors at Dollar Tree as well. I'm adding half and half. And then you add your succulents, or even some wildflowers would look really cute in here. I got this idea because I went to the thrift store and purchased 2 of the miniature spring pans. And I made 2 of the little succulent holders with those. And I decided to go ahead and make a set of trio with one of the larger pie pans from Dollar Tree. So these are all 3 together. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. You guys stay blessed. Until next time. Bye.